Today, we're going to be exploring the world of collaborative robotics, and we're going to be looking at it through the lens of Proxie. It's a cutting-edge cobot that's designed to work alongside humans. So forget those big, bulky industrial robots you've seen. Proxie is all about adaptable and intuitive assistance really built for the real world. So we'll be unpacking what makes Proxie so unique, how it's already being used out there in the field, and what its creators envision for the future of human-robot collaboration. Unlike those traditional robots that operate in isolation, often they're caged up for safety reasons. Cobots. They're designed to share workspaces with humans. And Proxie really embodies this collaborative spirit. It's built with safety and intuitive interaction right at its core. And it's not about replacing human workers. It's about tackling those tasks that are often repetitive or physically demanding. So imagine a world where robots handle the heavy lifting, literally, allowing you to focus on more strategic and creative tasks. That's the promise of Proxie. It's not just about building a safe and functional machine. It's about creating a robot that humans can trust and work with comfortably. Proxie's smooth and deliberate movements, combined with subtle visual cues like expressive eyes, are designed to make it feel less like a machine and more like a helpful teammate. This focus on building trust is really crucial because it paves the way for a future where humans and robots can seamlessly collaborate, each leveraging their own unique strengths. This concept of embodied empathy, it extends beyond just aesthetics. Proxie uses advanced technology like LiDAR and visual object recognition to kind of see the world dynamically, just like we do as humans. This allows the cobot to navigate those complex environments, anticipate human movements, and avoid collisions, making it a truly collaborative partner. It's not just reacting to its surroundings, it's understanding them. Now let's move on to what makes Proxie so adaptable. One key aspect is its modular design. Think of it like building with Legos. Proxie's grippers and sensors and even its arm can be swapped out and customized to suit different tasks. This means it's not limited to one specific job. It can evolve and adapt as the needs of the workplace change. And speaking of adaptability, Proxie's Flex Grasp technology deserves a closer look. This allows Proxie's manipulator to handle a wide variety of objects, from delicate items to heavy carts. It can adjust its grip to match the task at hand, making it incredibly versatile for different industries, whether it's moving packages in a warehouse or assisting with those delicate procedures in a hospital. Proxie's adaptability opens up a world of possibilities. This inherent flexibility is a significant departure from traditional robots. Those that are designed for single repetitive tasks? It really signals a shift toward more general-purpose robots, ones that can learn and grow alongside those advancements in AI and robotics, essentially. Proxie isn't just a product. It's a platform for the future of collaborative robotics. And this brings us to the third pillar of Proxie's design: usefulness at its core. Proxie is designed to be a practical tool, one that solves real-world problems for human teams. From logistics to healthcare, where it takes on those tasks that are essential but can be physically demanding or time-consuming for human workers. Take this shipping company Maersk, for example. They're using Proxie to move carts around their warehouses, freeing up their human workforce to focus on those more complex logistics challenges. Or consider the Mayo Clinic. They're exploring Proxie's potential to transport medical supplies and equipment, potentially improving both efficiency and safety within the hospital setting. These early applications, they highlight Proxie's versatility and really hint at its potential to transform a wide range of industries. But the real excitement lies in its future-forward design. Proxie is built on a foundation of GPU-accelerated AI, meaning it can process vast amounts of data and continuously improve its performance. It's not just a static machine. It's a learning and evolving system that gets smarter with every task it completes. This ability to learn and adapt is really key to Proxie's long-term potential. As AI technology continues to advance, Proxie can be updated and upgraded, ensuring it remains a valuable asset well into the future. Imagine a future where Proxie can anticipate your needs, adapt to new environments seamlessly, and even learn new skills on the fly. That's the vision driving Proxie's development. Now, you might be wondering about the brains behind this groundbreaking technology. Proxie is the brainchild of Cobot, a company founded by Brad Porter. He's a veteran roboticist who previously led robotics efforts at Amazon. Porter's experience with deploying robots at scale, combined with his team's deep understanding of AI and human-robot interaction, has really shaped Proxie's development from the ground up. Cobot's philosophy centers on building robots that are both technically advanced and deeply integrated with human workflows. They see robots like Proxie, not as replacements for humans, but as partners that can augment our capabilities and create new possibilities. It's about redefining what's possible in the workplace, allowing humans and robots to collaborate in ways we're only just beginning to imagine. Proxie's success hinges on this idea of collaboration. and its early adoption by companies like Maersk, Mayo Clinic, Moderna, Owens & Minor, and Tampa General Hospital speaks to its potential. It's a testament to Cobot's commitment to working closely with industry leaders to tailor Proxie to their specific needs, ensuring it's not just a technological marvel, but a practical tool that solves real-world problems. The early results are impressive. Proxie has already logged over 5,000 hours of operating time in real-world settings, moving 16,000 carts and traveling over 1,000 kilometers. And these numbers are only going to grow. As Proxie continues to be adopted by businesses around the world, it's a clear sign that cobots are moving beyond the realm of research labs and into the mainstream, becoming an increasingly integrated part of our work lives. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the cost. While Cobot hasn't publicly released pricing information, mobile robots like Proxie typically cost tens of thousands of dollars. However, it's important to view this as an investment, not simply an expense. Proxie offers the potential to increase efficiency, reduce labor costs, and even create a safer work environment for human employees. In the long run, these benefits can far outweigh the initial investment, especially as the technology continues to evolve and become more sophisticated. But Proxie's impact goes beyond just dollars and cents. It represents a fundamental shift in how we think about the relationship between humans and robots. It's a move away from the fear of robots replacing human jobs and towards a vision where robots and humans work side by side, each contributing their unique strengths. Now, you might be asking, what about those humanoid robots we often see in science fiction? Aren't they the ultimate goal of robotics? Well, while humanoid robots certainly capture the imagination, as Brad Porter himself acknowledges, they're still incredibly complex and expensive to develop. The AI required to power a truly capable humanoid robot is simply not there yet. Instead of trying to replicate human capabilities completely, Cobot is focusing on developing robots that excel at specific tasks, particularly those that are dangerous or repetitive or undesirable for humans. This pragmatic approach allows them to bring robots like Proxie to market faster and at a more affordable price, making the benefits of collaborative robotics accessible to a wider range of businesses. The future of human-robot collaboration is unfolding right before our eyes, and Proxie offers a really tantalizing glimpse into what that future might hold. It's an invitation to think differently, to reimagine the possibilities, and to really embrace the potential of this new era of partnership between humans and machines. This has been the Deep Dive. Thanks for joining us.